What's going on, guys? Trey here with Ghost Tactical here at my home range at Cleburne County Shooting Club here in beautiful Heber Springs, Arkansas. As you guys might have seen earlier on Instagram, I had a little what's in the box. Obviously it's a Walther because it's in a Walther box, but you guys haven't guessed what it is yet, so we're going to kind of go through it real quick and we're going to do a quick review. We're not going to do much of a review. It's going to be more out of the box, probably get 30 to 50 rounds shot through it and really just kind of talk about the initial thoughts and feels and all of that of the gun. It is this beautiful thing right here. It is the Walther PPQ Subcompact. You probably have seen it all over the last year or so. It was introduced this past SHOT Show in January, and it is the smaller version of the PPQ that a lot of people have been asking for, and they came out with it this year. And I want to send a quick shout out to Cody and Walther Arms for sending this gun to me. I really do appreciate it. It is going to be a great addition to the arsenal. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to kind of go over what they sent in the box to me, and we're going to shoot some rounds and all that. So basically, it's the gun they sent. They also sent 3 magazines. The first magazine is a 10-round flush mag. The second magazine is a 10-round mag with a little pinky extension. And then the final magazine is a 15-round magazine with the sleeve on there for the extension. So it'll fit, basically it'll be the same grip as a normal PPQ. So what I really love right out of the box is the grip itself. It's got a great form to it. I've got a relatively small hand, so it fits the hand very nicely for me. It does come with an additional back strap that you can change out if you want to get a little bit bigger. It comes with really nice 3-dot combat sights. They are night sights, stock on this model. I don't know if this stock on every model, but this is the limited edition, so it did come with the night sights. It does have an extended slide lock release. That's pretty good. It comes with an ambidextrous mag release. It comes with, in the box, an additional left-handed mag release button you can change out very, very quickly. So it does have a Picatinny reel on the bottom of it, so you can attach a light or a laser to it very, very easily. Like I said, out of the box, it feels great. I'm looking forward to shoot this thing, so let's have some fun. Okay, guys, so we're out here on the range. Like I said, Walther PPQ SC or subcompact. We're going to go through 3 rounds. The first round is going to be with the 10-round magazine that's flush. It's going to be flush here. Might have to, if you got bigger hands, it might be a little small, but for me, it actually works out kind of nicely. So nice sights on there. We're going to shoot some steel here real quick and have a good time with it. So like I said, first round, 10-round magazine with the flush butt. So far, man, that trigger is nice. This is the first Walther I've ever actually owned, and you keep hearing about the Walther trigger, how nice it is out of the box. And I've heard a lot of people say that the Walther has the best out of the box trigger in the world. I've pulled some triggers out of some Walthers before, mostly PPKs. This will be the first PPQ that I've shot, and first 10 shots, man, I do like them, I'm not gonna lie. The trigger feels really, really nice. So the next round's gonna be a 10-round magazine with a little pinky extension. For those of you that might have a little bigger hand, this actually might work out very, very well for you. So 10 rounds with a little pinky extension magazine. Here we go. Okay, had a little malfunction, failure to cycle there. Had a little double feed in there, so we're gonna reload this magazine and finish off the last few rounds. So here we go. Okay, picked up the last 2 rounds that we're gonna go ahead back in here. It very well could be the ammo. I'm not real sure. Like I said, I haven't done anything. I literally took this out of the box. The springs might be a little tight right now in the magazine or something, and it very well could be my ammo. So we're gonna try to take the same 2 rounds that we took out, and we're gonna run it through and finish off this magazine. So here we go. Okay, so let me show you what's happening real quick. We're having a little issue with the getting flush and really chambering that round. I'm going to pull it back. Second round, same thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go ahead and get a couple more rounds from a different batch loaded into this magazine to see if it's the magazine or if it was the ammo. So the first 8 shots went really nicely, but you know, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to load up a couple more rounds for a different batch and see if that works. All right, so basically what we did is I went to a different batch of ammo, reloaded a full 10 rounds back in this mag. Once again, this is the magazine with the pink extension on it. So we're gonna try another 10 rounds with this real quick and see how it goes. Maybe it was just the ammo, we're gonna find out. Okay, right off the bat, once again, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not getting flush, so once again, so I'm gonna go ahead and eject the magazine out. So far what it looks like is it's having issues cycling this and getting the round fully in the chamber and flush with the slide when you close the slide from slide lock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and close it, load the magazine this way. Okay, so once again, if you can see that, we're having issues with this magazine. Unfortunately, I really do like the way this magazine feels with the pink extension. For me, it sets up perfect for my hand. So, you know, I'm probably gonna be carrying this gun, and this, if I can figure out what's going on with this magazine and the cycling issues it's having, the malfunctions, this would probably be the magazine that I actually will carry in the gun on an everyday basis. So I'm hoping we can figure it out and we'll get going, but let's go check out the 15 rounder. Okay, so what we've got here is we have the 15 round magazine with the grip extension sleeve here. So that extension is nice. Now, that right there, it feels really, really good. I do love the way this grip feels, no doubt about it. So I do like what the feels with this 15 round mag. Let's go see if it cycles and all that, and let's go shooting. Okay, with the magazine, the 15 round mag, same issue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of go in here, maybe something got up in that chamber. I'm gonna have to look and see real quick. So let's kind of do some quick little maintenance here at the range and we'll see what happens. All right guys, so we broke the gun down and took a quick inspection of what was going on, and lo and behold, what do we have? I'm gonna see if I can bring this in here. We've got a squib load. So we had a little squib in there. Right there's the projectile. Had a little squib in there that so it was one of those that there was obviously no way that another round could chamber in there. So a little squib that believed to be not a gun problem, but an ammo problem. So yeah, squib load, that'll do it every time. So what we're gonna do is gonna put the gun back together and try her again. All right, so we've got gun put back together. I've never had that happen, but you know, it happens from time to time from different people. My first experience with it, so go figure. So I'm hoping that it was a manufacturing with the bullet instead of the gun. So we're gonna go back with the 10 round magazine with the pink extension. And we're gonna fire 10 rounds through this again and see what happens. It chambered, here we go. Shot like a champion. So that was definitely something that was wrong with the ammo. Put this back in, cleared out the chamber and all that, ran beautifully. I really do like this magazine right here, 10 round magazine with the pink extension. Like I said, when I put this into the carry, when I get my holster in and I put this into the carry arsenal, this will probably be the magazine that I go with. We're gonna try out the 15 round so far, and I might love that one, but so far of the two, it is definitely the magazine with the pink extension on it. So let's try out the 15 rounder. All right, so once again, guys, this is the 15 round magazine with the grip extension. We already talked about that earlier. So this is a 15 rounder, and it's gonna basically make this into basically the full grip of a normal PPQ. So I like the way this feels so far, so let's get shooting. Yeah, I can definitely see why people love the PPQ. That grip feels really, really good. Obviously, a 15 rounds capacity is great to have in a concealed carry gun. 3.5-inch barrel, you know, about a little over 6 inches full length. But with that extended mag, you get 5 extra rounds, obviously. That extended magazine, this grip feels really, really good. It's going to come down to the 10-round magazine with the pinky extension and the 15 rounds magazine here. So it is still clear. But I really, really like the way it feels. It shoots really, really well. The trigger is unbelievable. You hear people talk about the PPQ trigger. I can tell you this. Out of the box, it is one of the best triggers that I've ever pulled. So I like the weight of it. It feels really good in the grip. The texturing of the grip is aggressive, but it's not going to cut you. So it is going to help you get a nice grip on there. It's not going to have any slippage. So overall, my first impressions of the gun, I love it. We had a little issue with ammo, but I believe that was an ammo issue, not a gun issue. So we fixed that, and so far, like I said, I'm loving this. So be on the lookout, guys. We're going to do a major test with this. We'll probably put about 1,000 rounds through this under different conditions, different types of ammo. That's going to be coming here in the next month or so. But the initial out of the box, we fired a little over 50 rounds probably. The initial out of the box with this thing is so far, it's an amazing firearm. So thank you to Walther, and I look forward to doing some more testing with this. Till next time, guys, Semper Fi.
Oh, hey guys, sorry, doing a little work on the AR. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Maybe hit the notification bell and hit that like button. If you really liked the video, then we ask you to go check out some videos over here and check out our website, www.ghosttactical.us. Semper Fi.